Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hairunisa Audi Miranda, and this is my submission for stylistic midterm examination. So I hope you can enjoy this video. So I'm gonna share to you guys my cognitive stylistic analysis on Katy Perry's song entitled Firework. This song is written by her and Esther Dean. This song is on her third album, which is Teenage Dream. Well, I think you guys have already familiar with this song since it's very booming in the era, and it has ever been in the first position on billboards. Turns out, the lyric has implied meaning that really good to be understood. That is why I really want to share to you guys. The stylistic is intended to supplement rather than supplant existing method of analysis. It does aim to shift the focus away from models of text and composition towards the models that makes explicit the links between the human mind and the process of reading. So, the focus of cognitive stylistic itself is on reading, not writing. We will focus on schema theory and conceptual metaphor theory, since they are commonly used in cognitive stylistic analysis, and they offer some important analytical framework to be applied in the analysis section. Is about the schema theory. Schema theory, as Simpson 2004 asserts, appears to be a significant landmark in cognitive stylistic study, and it basically focuses on how knowledge is mentally represented in the mind of individuals and used to interpret information. On the other hand, conceptual metaphor theory is considered to be important in cognitive stylistic. It was conceived in the early works as a series of asymmetric mapping stored in a long-term memory, a uniting structure from a more concrete source domain to more abstract target domain. I want to share to you guys what is the song outline. This song aims to invite us to appreciate ourselves more, believe that there is a light within us that we must send to others, and we should never hide it. We have to believe that there is firework in ourselves, that there are always burning, and our talent, something that makes us still able to stand upright, even though the world seems to pressure us sometimes, like in the form of disease, prejudice of others, discrimination, and others. In this song, Katy Perry and Esther Dean, I think, is managed to convey the meaning of life through the problem that we face commonly in our everyday life. And now I would like to look at the background of who wrote this amazing song, which are Esther Dean and Katy Perry. At a young age, Dean learned how to channel her energy into music, writing, and channeling her emotion into songs. Creative writing served as Dean's self-therapy, and Dean described her preferred method of songwriting like just try to scream, yelling, or just song in her booth, and if lucky, she can get words, but most of the time it's not. Katy Perry, as the singer and the writer of this song, described herself as a singer and songwriter masquerading as a pop star, and maintained that honest in songwriting is very important to her. She told to Mary Claire that she felt like her secret magic trick that separates her from her peers is the bravery to be vulnerable and truthful and honest. She thinks we become more relatable when we are vulnerable. So for Perry, it is important to a song is relatable for the listener. We will continue to the coherence among figure of speech. So the first one is personification. In these lyrics, Katy Perry put it on the second line. The lyric sounds drifting to the wind. This lyrics talks about someone who does not have any spirit and purpose in their life, will run where the time take them. Drifting through the wind means run where time take them. Personification in this lyric is on line 27. The lyric sounds, after a hurricane comes a rainbow. The meaning implied in this lyric tells us to not worry with the problem that come to us. After a hurricane come a rainbow means that there is always good after every problem we are facing. That the better future will come to us. And then the next one is hyperbole. And the first one you can see in the line 6, the lyric sounds, one blow from caving in. These lyrics show that the power of a blow that can break house of cards is in only one blow. And this means how the problem will fall people down when they do not have strong foundation, spirit in running their life, and this is a kind of hyperbole. The next one is in the line 18 and 19, the lyric sounds, make 'em go, oh oh oh, as you shoot across the sky, I. Actually, these lyrics are kind of hyperbole affiliation, because there is repetition in it, and those words means let our spirit go and control ourselves. Boom boom boom, even brighter than the moon moon moon, it's always been inside of you. These lyrics are also kind of hyperbole affiliation, and boom 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 are the sound of firework that mean sound of our spirit. So the next one is paradox. In these lyrics, there is a paradox in line 8 and 9. The lyrics sound 6 feet under the scream, but no one seems to hear a thing. 6 feet under screams, but no one seems to hear a thing is paradox. It means when we are down, we already ask help to people and nobody's help, that the reality is contradicted to the expectation. And then we continue to new conceptual mapping and new stylistic framework. So we start with simile. The first simile in this song lyric is in the line 5. The lyric sounds like a house of cards. Actually, this lyric is a continuation of the previous lyric. This lyric is comparing someone who has like spirits like a house of cards. They can stand and run their life, but they don't have strong foundation in their life. Like cards that made of paper, so that is really hard to keep standing when they are facing problem. Another similar in this song lyrics is in the line 24. The lyric sounds you don't have to feel like a waste of space. It compares most ordinary people like waste of space. So the lyric means that we don't have to be other people, don't have to be like the rest, and we just have to be ourselves. So the next one is symbolic. In this song, there is symbolic in the line number 1. Sound, do you ever feel like a plastic bag? In here, a plastic bag is a symbol of someone's soul. That plastic bag, as we know, it's very light and easy to fly by the wind, and it is really suitable for represent an abstract idea of someone that don't have spirit in their life. This one is in the line 4. The lyric sound, do you ever feel so paper thin? And it is same like the previous. And in the line 11, we can see another symbolism. The lyric sound, cause there are a spark in you. In here, the spark is symbolized as something in ourselves that can help ourselves. In the line 16, in the lyric, cause baby you're a firework. Firework in here is the symbol of someone that really amazing. The lyric try to make us realize that we are firework in our life, and we have a beautiful life. It's in the line 21st, and the lyric sound, come on, let your color burst. Color in here is symbolized of someone character and behavior, that everybody has different color, everybody has different characterization. And the next one is in the line 28 and 29. The lyric sounds, maybe a reason why all these doors are closed, so you can open one that leads you to the perfect road. In here, doors are the symbol of change, symbol found in the line 34 and 35. The lyric sounds, just on the night like the 4th of July. The lyrics indicates a symbol. The 4th of July is Independent Day of America. It shows that freedom ourselves. We will find the freedom after tackling down the problems. And then we move to the extended and complex figurative expression. You are original, cannot be replaced. These lyrics contain metaphor. These lyrics mean we have to be ourselves, and we are original, cannot be replaced. For the end of the video, I'm gonna give you conclusion. Well, I think in conclusion, Katy Perry and Ascertain is managed to convey the implicit meaning in these lyrics. Convey is simple but beautiful because there is some figure of speech in these lyrics, and it makes it beautiful. Well, by using this figure of speech, Ascertain and Katy Perry has achieved the techniques by employing the strategy of coherence among the figure of speech and using new conceptual mapping and new stylistic frameworks. And the third is deploying some extended and complex figurative expression that lead to create a new figurative framework which illustrate the idea of novelty and creativity in the language used in this lyric. Well, I think that is all of my cognitive analysis on this song lyric, and thank you so much for watching.